You will be so fond of La Fonda del Bosque.
Chora não, bebê. Chora não, bebê. Chora não, bebê. Chora não, bebê.
There's this place listed as comfort food. I click on Latin American. So here I am at La Fonda del Bosque. It's actually at the Hispanic Heritage Center. I think that's what it's called. It's a lot nicer than what I was expecting to do for lunch. You can see from the decor. Beautiful building though, outdoor seating out on the grass under the trees. The vibe is, I'm trying to get a grasp on how New Mexico it is. It's pretty New Mexico, but it's less Hispanic heritage-y than I would have expected from the location. But yeah, still pretty interesting. Fun little menu, limited menu, but they seem to have a lot of specials all the time. And this place is absolutely gorgeous. And the price points are between $10 and $20, which seems pretty reasonable for a place of this look. Now we can't measure the caliber of the place until we've actually tried the food. So I'm gonna have some stewed chicken, and we'll see how that goes. Let's see what's out here. I love the sound of cicadas. I'm sure it's pretty near the river. That's for the ambient noise, a little water from the fountain and the cicadas. I'll show you where the outdoor seating is. So when I saw that it was a museum restaurant, I was disappointed. Because, museum restaurants are usually these cafes that charge well above the quality of what they produce. But all signs point to a positive product, and certainly this ambiance is super fantastic. As casual as it is, it's very nice and very elegant within its casualness. I gotta say, oh, look at the steam coming up. It looks pretty amazing. Great color. So I'm pretty excited. I'm all about this. The plantains. So the rice is cooked in the coconut milk. The chicken's really tomatoey. I'm looking forward to diving in. I would not have ordered it if it were just the breast, but it's a breast and a thigh. So you've got some dark meat action as well. See, the rice is sort of croupy from the coconut milk. It's perfect. With the chicken, it's going to be killer. And peppers. Stewed chicken is fantastic. I'm not sure about all the seasonings. Definitely a spicy kick. And the coconut makes it. This is delicious. Low expectations, easily surpassed. This is a straight up, very tasty dish. So I just wanted to check back in to tell you how amazing this sauce is. I actually wish there were more. It's so tasty, perfect level of spice. Like really carefully constructed. There's a depth to its character, slightly acidic. Well, I'm not sure what spices are in there, but the pepper's really nice. The depth it has, while having a bit of acidity, really wonderful. I would drown this whole dish in it, which is not to speak ill of the dish, it's just to say how good the sauce is. Really fabulous. So the dish I'm eating is called Besitlan chicken, I think. Now with the coconut, I'm not sure if it's supposed to represent southern Mexico or Caribbean. It's sort of the guisado thing. It's funny how when I use an American accent and when I don't, but it's sort of the guisado thing. Except that the chicken still has its integrity. You can tell it stews in it for a little while. And I just can't get over the marvels of this sauce. Terrible camera work, but that's what I'm doing right now. And I love it when the patacones are such that you can just scoop things with it. So this restaurant rents from the Hispanic Heritage Center, the Hispanic Cultural Center. I forget the name of it now. I haven't been in there yet. But actually, I'm about to go inside and ask about Spanish classes. See if maybe I can sharpen up my family's Spanish. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video. The dish I had was absolutely fantastic. The restaurant, they have a contract. As long as they rent in this space, they had to have to do a Latin fusion. And that's what it was. It was fusion. They're attached to a catering business around town, and it was a nice little experience. I don't know about the atmosphere in the building was great. I mean, this looks nice, but it's not an evening out. You know what I mean? So the restaurant itself, great for an evening out. Actually, just coming to this parking lot, maybe not so much. Otherwise, flawless experience.